20 most important idioms with meaning and emojis. 1. Break the ice. Start a conversation easily. 2. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. 3. Piece of cake. Very easy. 4. Costs an arm and a leg. Very expensive. 5. Under the weather. Feeling sick. 6. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. 7. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Solve 2 problems at once. 8. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. 9. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. 10. Break a leg. Good luck. 11. Bite the bullet. Face something difficult. 12. Hit the nail on the head. Be exactly right. 13. Kick the bucket. Die. Informal. 14. On cloud 9. Very happy. 15. Cry over spilled milk. Regret something you can't change. 16. The ball is in your court. It's your decision. 17. Pull someone's leg. Joke with someone. 18. Go the extra mile, do more than expected. 19. In hot water. In trouble. 20. Let the cat out of the bag. Accidentally reveal a secret. Follow English Infinity with Miss D and subscribe.